Hello everyone and welcome back to Canon Coffee. Here we have a beautiful Jura Impresa F7 espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because no coffee was coming out, so we actually had to replace the water pump and service the brew unit itself. This is a sample brew unit of a Jura espresso machine. For these machines we basically had to disassemble everything, disassemble the machine in order to actually get to this piece. And we service it by replacing the gasket that you see right here. So the gaskets of the brew unit itself, and removing the shower screen, cleaning it, lubricating it, making sure everything is nice and clean inside. Put it all back together, and yeah, that's all what we did. We also manually descaled the machine. We clean it, and yeah, we just gave it a tune-up and replace the water pump. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. I'm gonna be using 1 cup. Is it good enough? Yep. Perfect. 3 ounces. Perfect. Filling our beans. Infusion. Good water flow, good color, great crema. Around 2 ounces. As you can see, that's a great crema, looking great. We're gonna be doing another one. I mean, we've been testing this machine for a while. We already ran through basically 2 of these, completely full of coffee, to make sure that the machine was running perfectly fine. They was making coffee more to be more precise. And as you can see, it's making coffee perfectly, having good water flow, excellent crema, good color. Yeah. And now we're gonna be using the hot water. As you can see, steady stream, no leaks or anything. Great temperature as well. And now for the steam. It's gonna take a little bit for the machine to get to temperature, but once it gets to temperature, we're able to see some good steam coming out of the machine, especially now since it's a little bit cold, so we'll be able to see the whole flow. Now that is ready, and as you can see, working perfectly fine. Actually have water in there to see without it. You can kind of see. There you go. Excellent pressure. Working perfectly fine. I thought it was kind of cool. Maybe it's a little bit hard in here. Yeah, working perfectly fine. And there you have it. Jura Impresa F7 making coffee once again. So thank you for repairing Canon Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day. And thanks for watching.